Actress turned Valenzuela Councilor Charee Pineda is now a mom. She gave birth to a baby boy. Pineda and fellow Councilor Martell Soledad are now parents to Martell Cesco. In her Instagram post, first-time mom Pineda expressed excitement on this new journey with her hubby. Soledad considers Cesco the most beautiful gift in his life. The baby came out earlier than expected.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.